The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 12. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. You've heard that phrase so often it probably doesn't mean anything to you anymore. It means that if you do the same thing each day, you will eventually, bit by bit, do it better. And so it is with drawing. Drawing every day improves your drawing skills. It is as simple as that. Repetition creates and strengthens pathways in the brain. That's why musicians do scales and practice pieces every day. Why athletes and actors rehearse moves and performances over and over again. There are drawing practice exercises you can do every day to build hand, eye and brain coordination. They will also help you get started when you don't know what to draw. Once in the flow of an exercise, the creative side of your brain will kick in and ideas will begin to flow. Then you can drop the practice and begin working on the new idea. You are absolutely allowed to stop practicing if you have a great idea or feel inspired to work on something new. No one is waiting for you to hand in your homework. But practice exercises are great to get you started in the morning. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a feather? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.